What's wrong with
I
you?
want to go bowling too.
You want to go bowling too?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you stick your tongue out? If you can stick your tongue out, we'll go bowling.
They cut it shorter.
They cut it shorter? They cut your tongue shorter?
Yeah, that's as far as it goes.
As far as it goes? Well, you can't go bowling until it grows back, okay?
Where will it go back?
I don't know.
By in the morning.
Yeah, it'll be alright by morning.
I miss you.
I missed you too.
You okay, Bridget?
Yeah, I just missed her.
You just missed her. Okay. You okay now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't bowl anyway. I suck.
Well, we go right?
Yeah, I'm okay now.
You gonna watch a movie?
Yeah, I watched Peter Pan.
Peter Pan? Okay.